In any project, team members spend a significant amount of time completing tasks, resolving issues, and keeping work on track. All of this time is recorded for effective reporting, performance measurement, billing, and accountability. When recording time, issues like manual errors, undefined billable hours, slow approvals, or missed employee overtime may occur. Zoho Projects time logs, timesheets, and approval rules make recording and managing time data simple. They also help project managers avoid common time tracking errors and bottlenecks. Let's look at a scenario to understand the role these tools play in your projects. Say you create a project by adding users, creating tasks, and setting a budget. When the work starts, team members log their hours every day. These hours are recorded as time log for the day and sent for approval, following the project's approval rules. In Zoho Projects, approval needs to be enabled and configured based on Timesheet to set approval rules. By default, the portal's approval setting is based on time logs, where you can review and approve individual entries. Time logs capture the hours spent on each task, and a collection of multiple time logs forms a timesheet. If the approval setting is configured based on timesheets, the approver can approve a collection of time logs and not individual time logs in a timesheet. Now, let's say you enable time log approval and select approval based on timesheets. You then select a fallback approver who can approve timesheets which do not fall under any approval rule criteria. For recurring approval, you select Approve Every Time to guarantee level-wise approval and enable notifications, so approvers can stay updated on timesheet approval or rejection. After enabling an approval process, you can create an approval rule. Note that only the portal owner, an admin, or a user with the timesheet approval rules permission can create approval rules. The portal owner and users with approved permissions can approve timesheets. An example approval rule looks something like this. Enter a name and description for the rule. To trigger the rule, add the criteria. In this example, the project name is Software Dev, and the billing type is billable. Under Approval Flow, select Set Rules and configure the reporting hierarchy up to 2 levels as Rule 1. To add another layer of approval, add a user is rule as Rule 2, and select the option Everyone Must Approve for the approval flow. Finally, set a weekly reminder for Monday at 10 a.m. so approvers get regular notifications. Then, click Submit. Now, every time a user submits a billable timesheet for the software dev project, it follows this approval rule. The created approval rule will apply to all projects that match the rule criteria. Do you manage timesheet data to run payroll, client billing, performance reviews, and more? Enable approval based on timesheets in Zoho Projects for an enhanced project management process.